Can you imagine living in a world where the boundaries between virtual and physical realities blur, where digital interactions surpass the limitations of the physical world? Welcome to the metaverse, a realm where this seemingly far-fetched concept is fast becoming a reality. Virtual reality, or VR as it's commonly known, has been a fascinating topic since the mid-20th century. Originally seen in science fiction, the concept of VR was often portrayed as a tool for immersive, interactive experiences. Throughout the decades, the evolution of VR has been nothing short of remarkable. In the early days, VR was a mere concept, a distant dream encapsulated in bulky headsets and rudimentary graphics. Yet, even then, it held a promise of a future where users could immerse themselves in a computer-generated environment. As technology advanced, VR started to evolve. The first wave of consumer VR arrived in the 90s, with devices like the Nintendo Virtual Boy. However, these early devices were plagued by technical limitations and high costs, leading to their commercial failure. But the dream of VR didn't die. Fast forward to the 21st century, and we saw the resurgence of VR, this time backed by advancements in technology and a renewed interest in the concept. With the release of devices such as the Oculus Rift in 2013, VR once again captured the public's imagination. Today, VR technology is not just about gaming. It has permeated various sectors from healthcare to education, from architecture to tourism. It brings to life experiences that were once thought impossible, bridging the gap between the physical and the virtual. Now imagine taking this concept of VR a step further. Envision a collective virtual shared space, created by the convergence of virtually enhanced physical reality and physically persistent virtual reality. This is the metaverse, a term coined by Neal Stephenson in his novel Snow Crash. The metaverse goes beyond the limitations of VR. It's a fully immersive, interactive virtual world where users can live, work, and play. It's a world where digital interactions become as meaningful and impactful as those in the physical world. Tech giants are already racing to build the metaverse. Facebook, now Meta Platforms Inc., has notably pledged to transition from a social media company to a metaverse company. But they're not alone. Other tech powerhouses like Microsoft and Google are also staking their claims in this digital frontier. The rise of the metaverse signifies a new era in digital interaction. It's a realm where our online and offline lives merge, where virtual experiences can be as rich and meaningful as our physical ones. It's a world where the digital economy thrives, where online communities flourish, where creativity knows no bounds. In conclusion, the evolution of virtual reality has led us to the doorstep of the metaverse, a realm where the line between the physical and virtual worlds blurs, where digital interactions are as impactful as real-world ones. But as with any technological advancement, the metaverse brings with it new challenges and questions about privacy, security, and the very nature of reality itself. As we stand on the brink of this new digital frontier, one thing is certain. The metaverse is not just a concept anymore. It's the future of digital interaction, a future that's already beginning to take shape. And in this future, the possibilities are as vast as the metaverse itself.
As we conclude our journey today at AI Future Hub, remember that you've stepped into the future where artificial intelligence shapes possibilities. Hope you've benefited from our cutting-edge content. If you haven't subscribed yet, now is the time. Show your support by hitting that like button. Share our videos and spread the future. Don't miss your chance to be with us again on this journey by subscribing, liking, and sharing. Until next time, keep exploring the future with us.